Movement towards health might be for you if pain, illness, or injury has taken away your comfort, your confidence, your ability to function despite the best medical care. And if you really want to take charge, if you want to take action and learn how to heal so you can get your life back. So this video is meant to introduce you to the program and invite you to come have a closer look so you can see if it's for you. The best way to do that is to join the waitlist. When you join the waitlist, you'll get a training series that is going to be both video and text about healing the body, healing the emotions, healing the mind, and regaining function and getting your life back. So whether or not you join the program, I think you'll find it inspiring and interesting. And so you can get on the waitlist by clicking the link below or going to mthtribe.com. So Movement Towards Health is meant to meet you at a place where you're in pain, with fatigue, with overwhelm, anxiety, depression, difficulty functioning, and frequently confusion about what to do next. And to guide you on the journey of healing, which is often confusing and full of pitfalls and difficulties. And so you feel more in control and you have less pain and more energy and you're more able to function and do stuff you care about. And most of all, you've got skills and tools and confidence about dealing with life's difficulties. We are all facing challenges. We all need to be able to bounce back from difficulties. So whether you've got chronic pain or illness, or you're just dealing with a difficulty in life, this is training for resilience. So why am I teaching Movement Towards Health? It's really an outgrowth of my clinical work in rehabilitation medicine and pain management, also known as physiatry. I've been working for over 20 years and have seen literally tens of thousands of patient encounters of people who've had catastrophic and chronic illness and injury that's left them with pain, fibromyalgia, autoimmune disease, arthritis, difficulty walking, neurologic injury, all kinds of really hard stuff. And meanwhile, I've spent decades also doing intensive training and practical learning and teaching of natural healing and natural medicine. And I've seen how those tools shift the biology and the psychology from disease towards health and well-being, how they empower the healing process and supercharge it. Now, I have so much respect and appreciation for the world of academic medicine and rehabilitation. I've had the honor and pleasure and privilege of working with so many dedicated, talented, totally committed, amazing practitioners in that world. But the science of natural healing, while it's developing and growing and showing up more and more in the medical literature, it's still not in the mainstream. And so you don't get this stuff if you go through standard healthcare and rehab. And it's not because it's not good and real. It's just because it's a slow process of adoption and change. And my view is that it's just not fair when someone's not recovering or they're having a hard time recovering to withhold stuff that's safe, that has been shown in my own experience and in growing research to be effective. So I created the program that I want all my patients to have so that you can supercharge and empower your healing process to make even better whatever therapeutic approaches you're already doing. Movement Towards Health is about mobilizing your own inner healing superpowers. It's kind of like when Popeye is down and out and he finds that can of spinach and pops it open and all of a sudden he's like Superman. I want to give you your can of spinach so that you can actually activate your capacity to heal your physical, emotional, and mental self so that you can do stuff that you didn't think was possible. And it's not some kind of magic. It's applied physiology and biology, and growing research is supporting it. So I encourage you to check it out. Okay, so what do we do in the program? So we do training in visual imagery, mindfulness that balance your nervous system, help you heal emotional and physical trauma, help you get clarity in your own awareness and intention, build a healing mindset from the inside out, live with more calm and clarity and confidence, and make better decisions. And we take that calm, clear mind out of the chair and into mindful movement, which is energizing, empowering, and healing, and perfect if physical therapy or gym training just like wasn't for you or made things worse, or if you're already doing training in physical therapy, but you want to really unify your body and mind, and empower your ability to function and perform at a higher level. And so the format, we have twice monthly live sessions that are about an hour and a half long. Depending on enrollment, that might increase to weekly sessions. And what we do there is a combination of sitting practice, Q&A, moving practice, certain didactic sessions where we learn anatomy and other cool stuff that you'll find really interesting. And then there's a library. All of the recorded sessions are in the library, and there's a growing library that are independent of the live sessions that are the curriculum of movement training, of other aspects of the consciousness and breathwork training. The third part, which is incredibly important, is the online community. This is a gated community that's not on Facebook. That is an opportunity for learning in between the live sessions and in between the recorded sessions. There's place for Q&A, there's place for discussion among participants. It's a place to meet other people who are healing and dealing with some of the things that you're dealing with, so you don't feel so alone. And many of the participants find just like connecting with other people incredibly healing, because it breaks the isolation. Okay, so that's an overview of Movement Towards Health. I encourage you to come have a closer look. I strongly recommend you go to mthtribe.com and join the waiting list. That's the best way to get more information. You'll get that training series of video and text learning about healing the body, the emotions, and the mind. And I think you'll find it interesting. So thanks for watching. I hope that you will share this with anyone you think might be interested in it. And if you have any comments, or if you have like one pearl that you got from this that seems interesting, relevant, or important, share it in a comment below this video. It'll be a big help. I look forward to seeing you here or someplace else, and thanks so much for watching.